Question 23. The difference between two numbers is 7 and the sum of two numbers is 15. Find the values of the two numbers. Let x and y be the two numbers. Given the difference between the two numbers is 7, so x minus y is equal to 7, and sum of two numbers is 15, so x plus y is equal to 15. This is in the form of a system of two equations. For solving this type of simultaneous equations, we can use elimination method. In the elimination method, our aim is to eliminate one of the variables from the system of equations. Let's choose to eliminate y. In the first equations, the coefficients of y is -1, and in the second equation it is +1. If we add these two equations together, -1 from the first equations cancels out the positive y term in the second equations. So we add these two equations together. As I said, negative y and positive y will cancel. X plus x is equal to 2x. 7 plus 15 is equal to 22, sorry. 2x is equal to 22. I can divide both sides by 2 and cancel 2 in numerator and denominator. And x is equal to 22 divided by 2, or x is equal to 11. Now we replace x with 11 into one of the original equations. Let's use the first one. X minus y is equal to 7. We replace x with 11, so 11 minus y is equal to 7. We take y to the right hand side and 7 to the left hand side. So 11 minus 7 is equal to y, or y is equal to 4.